Noir Vortex here. So I decided to randomly do another web developer video. Done a few of these now. I just talk about where I'm at, what I've been doing, and just basically just talk about my life as a web developer and what I've got on really. So I was working for a company before doing web development. I kind of fell through mostly due to my bipolar disorder fucking things up as usual. Which is my fault obviously, so we've got no one else to blame. But beyond all that shite, next thing I'm on now, and I'm on it, is I'm working on a very exciting project, an alternative media kind of website, which is, I can't go into details on, but suffice to say it's very exciting, and hopefully we're going to try and create, with the project, because I'm leading it basically, want to create a kind of alternative counterculture tech magazine basically. So a magazine that has kind of irreverence to it in terms of how it tackles technological issues, but also reports us the news as well about technology. So just objective, but also with a humorous bent, partially satirical, and yeah, like kind of a lot of. We'll hopefully once it's up and running, because at the minute it's just planning stage. Domain's there, but we need to get it up, which is my job for the next few weeks. So we've got that big project coming in. I've got a few freelance things I need to work on. One overdue thing, which is very much overdue, which is a PHP fix on a theme that I've developed called our webcomic theme, which we need to get on more places at the minute. But I've just developed it. It's a responsive mobile first. It just needs to do the last tweaks, but that's kind of, I've been procrastinating on that for an awful long time. Primarily because instead of specialising, I've been generalising for an awful long time. So instead of specialising, I've been trying to do a bit of everything. So I've been exploring game design a lot more recently. You'll see from some of my vlogs that I've done a lot of game dev work. One major project which I'm working on with one other person, so that will get finished. Because it's not just me doing all the work, which is commonly what happens. Obviously, as you're a programmer or a developer, you know how it works. If you're the developer, often people will just, especially if you're in a business that doesn't understand tech that well, programmers rapidly become overworked, stressed people who have no way of being able to handle their stress, and then everybody kind of expects the world of them, and it gets a bit annoying really. You know, because like I've rage quit. Yeah, I've rage quit before. Then just go move on to my own things. I think part of being a really good developer or a programmer really is being able to be independent, really independent of mind, and independent of your philosophy, approach to programming. Really, I'd say. So, oh yeah, fucking sun. Fucking sun. Can't take it. Sorry. Just been awake. I haven't slept for probably like 24 hours now. Anyway, so I should do this again. Doesn't matter. Fuck it. Just leave this raw. Yeah. That's part 1 and 2. So like I said, let me just break things down a bit more then, actually, instead of just being a long rambling one, which seems kind of apparently random. So we've got Gin, which I'm working on with my mate Harvey, which is a RPG, which is kind of partially built. We've also started designing all the game stuff for it. We've got, like I said, this news website which I've got to keep quiet about because I can't give away too much. But as I said, it's something exciting that I'm working on. A few art websites which I just need to kind of like get feedback off people with. Being a freelancer is very stressful, essentially. It's fun because you actually learn, or you can kind of take projects in your own direction, which is the beauty of being freelance. But on the other hand, it can be very easy to get into procrastination zone, which I'm not in now, but I'd say I have been in for a few weeks probably. I'm actually, my workflow is pretty good at the minute, but I mean, I'm on the computer most of the time, but I have to sometimes you just have to really unplug from all the social media. That's just it's kind of annoying as well. Most social media is boring, really, and it's so predictable as well. That's the horrible thing about social media. It's so predictable. The adverts, it's definitely install AdBlock on Chrome if you've never done that. Anyway, I want to stop this now. I've been Noir Vortex. Hope we got something out of that. And yeah, I'm just doing two fingers for lols. Yeah, great. Fucking rock on, code, motherfuckers. Code the fuck on, motherfuckers. Yeah, see, I can't do it. Yeah, fucking god. Yeah.